Hey Joey, it's Joel. I just wanted to give you this brief video audit of your website and what's going on as far as search engine optimization. Your site looks really appealing visually. The challenge is you really don't have any content on it. Content meaning writing. You do have an image here, and you mentioned your services, and those services are just kind of bullet point and then contact us. So I mentioned to you today, I strongly recommend that you have your address both on your website and also in Google Maps. And I'll get to that in just a second here. Okay. So when I put Silicon Valley Appliance Repair in, you do come up in the top results for your name. But the challenge is people really aren't searching for that. They put in their city. Silicon Valley is this area that has really no beginning and no end in some respects, and has grown bigger and bigger over the last several years because everybody wants to consider them part of Silicon Valley. So when somebody does a search, for example, Mountain View Appliance Repair, this is what's coming up. You have the paid ads at the top. You have the map pack, which is this, or the 6-pack, or 3-pack, excuse me. And these here, I can see right away, this guy has no reviews. I can see holes in just about every one of these. So this is very doable to get in this. And this is getting 35% of the clicks on the page. This first result's getting 35 clicks. This one's getting about 15% of the clicks. Oh, I said 35%, 32 to 35, 10 to 15%, 8 to 10%, and then 1 to 2% for the rest going down the page. So, and guess what? You don't show up for Mountain View Appliance Repair at all. Go ahead and Google it and then search your name for the report or that phrase. Which you should absolutely be showing up for it. Even if it's on the last page of Google, you should be showing up for it. So I just want to show you, kind of break things down. This blue line is what is called the title tag. And the black line, black 2 lines underneath it is known as the description. These are very important in terms of you getting found and proper wording of them. And you have to basically do 2 things. One, appeal to Google, and also appeal to the web visitor. So I'm going to go back to your website, and I'm going to run a tool. And this is a tool you can download. I've got it on Chrome. So this is called SEO Minion, and I'm going to analyze your on-page SEO. And basically, this is going to tell me your on-page SEO. So right here, it's telling me Appliance, Mountain View, Silicon Valley Appliance Service and Repair. Ideally, you want to keep it under 60 characters if you can. So yeah, somebody might be searching Appliance, Mountain View. Maybe they're looking to buy it. So that really isn't addressing their main search phrase. And you want that right at the beginning. Okay. And then this, ideally, you want to keep to about 150 characters. Right now, you're at 252. And again, you want language that somebody would be using, not talk so much about we, talk about what they are possibly typing in. The next thing that we look at is known as the H1 and H2. And this is your H1, okay? So again, we talked about people not filling in Silicon Valley Appliance Service and Repair. They're typically going to put in the city and what they need. Could be appliance repair, could be Samsung refrigerator repair, could be a lot of things. But the most basic would be appliance repair. So let me just take a look here. So that gives you an idea of what you can do as far as on-page factors are concerned in terms of title tags, description, H1, and actually H2, which you don't have, and also content, which is really important. That's the written word, images, and also videos, which is all really doable. it's not as steep a mountain. What I want to do is, I'm not here to beat you up. I think you're doing a phenomenal job. I think you have a lot of positive qualities. I just want to show you another site. This is a company that's well regarded, but their site isn't very good either, and I'll point out some of their problems. Okay, so this is Deanza Appliance. They've been around long. They do have some content. Personally, I think this is a distraction. Basically you want somebody to call you, text you, or email you. Okay, so having the number big is good. This should be click to call. So if they're looking at this on their mobile device, it should be real easy to engage. The other thing that I want to point out is, they have all their brands listed and appliances repaired and city serviced and zip codes and all this. This used to work in the past. Right now, Google views this as keyword spamming. This will get them in trouble if it hasn't already. So don't fill your page up with a lot of crap. It has to be readable, something that people would connect with. So this isn't good. The other thing I did is I just took a quick look at Craigslist for appliance repair technician. I'm going to show you one other place. I think this was your ad. I'm not sure, but it had some of the similar requirements in terms of physical requirements that we discussed. Here's another company. No, that isn't them. I'm sorry. Here's the other one. So these guys have written a good, I call it a good one. The thing that's going to get your attention here is the money. And just give me a second, we'll find it. Here's the money right here, 50 to 150,000. I don't think that 150,000 is credible. You tell me. 50,000 is basically $25 an hour. Somebody working 58 weeks a year with two weeks off for like vacation. So that money is doable at 25 bucks an hour. Is that realistic? I'm not sure. But let me show you something about this company. So the company's name is Go Home Appliance Repair. I don't know if you've heard of them, but basically they've got 1.8 star rating on 41 Google reviews, Yelp reviews. This is terrible. And the thing that I want to caution you on is, I know you want to grow, but I think the most important thing you can do right now is increase your profitability. And that's not by charging more, that's by becoming more efficient. And I have some ideas around how you can accomplish that. One is, don't be driving so far. Get most of your business in Mountain View, Palo Alto, Sunnyvale, etc. Complete more calls in one visit, which would require that maybe you target a few brands of appliances to repair and have repair parts with you, because that's going to increase your profitability significantly, not to be going back on 2 trips to do repairs. So I'd be glad to help you out in any way. I think you're a really good guy, and I know you're going to continually improve and be more successful as time goes on. So reach out if you have any questions.